The number one obstacle that will prevent me from investing is my bad past experience. I was scammed before, so I really am traumatized about it.
I'm more concerned about the losses that I may incur without proper knowledge.
So some of my friends and family has actually lost a lot of money in investments, and that was probably like the biggest obstacle that I have to overcome in order to make my first move into putting real money into an investment.
To be honest, I made some errors in the past in stock investment as well. I just put in money without knowing. After attending the VIA course, that was the most important turning point for stocks. Yeah, after that, the portfolio just went up and up.
I decided to source for a reliable training, and I found VIA. I took up the course and I learned that, okay, there is another side of investing, that we can do this very rationally.
I remember I did not fully comprehend the concept then. In the end, I attended VIA because Cayden's life experiences and achievements were convincing.
Wow, investing has improved my life, especially the unusual strategy, the cash flow option strategy that Cayden taught us. And plus, we know how to scan and screen for good and cheap companies. So I've been earning premium since last year, so it's been 1.5 years. So I have very regular passive income, and it really improved my life because I have a hope of an early retirement and giving more to my family.
So investing has definitely changed and improved my life by giving me back my time freedom. So a lot of people think that investment is about money, making money, but no, it's actually not. It's about what money can do for you, and the number one thing that it has helped me is that it has brought me back my time freedom. So right now I'm semi-retired. I get to spend a lot of time with my family, kids, and friends as well. And of course, I can go travel anytime I like because I don't have to worry about my finances.
By investing in right companies or stocks or whatever, I give a better chance to myself, my family, my children, a better starting line. You know, in the future, they have more resources, they can do whatever they want to do.
I think what really put me to VIA was Cayden.
Cayden,
I attended his masterclass, I heard him speak, and I've heard other speakers speak for their own masterclasses. And Cayden's humility and honesty was obvious, that this guy is not out there to get you to sign up. He's just there to show what he knows and let you learn about investing his way. So I found his honesty really, really enticing.
well, I've heard other value investing presentations so far, and I found that Cayden to be very sincere, knowledgeable, and I believe that he is teaching in a way where it is through his honest opinion and experience. So I think that is very useful coming from somebody who's you are trying to learn from. That's why I decided to go with Cayden and VIA.
If you want to be financially free, learn from people who have the means. If you want to be rich, learn from the rich. Only those people can teach you these things. So I came to VIA searching for a mentor, and I think Cayden is actually quite a perfect one because he gave us a mindset, and that was the most precious thing, a habit that he gave us for investing.
So in terms of investment results, in terms of ROI, is about 10 to 15% per annum.
1.5 years, I doubled my savings.
I have been investing for 3 years now, and proud to say that one of the stocks that I own is now a two-bagger. And a two-bagger means it has gained 200%, so I'm quite proud of that.
Since I started in October, November period, and by now it's about almost a year already, and I got about 29% of ROI, and I think that's fantastic considering the fixed deposit interest in Singapore. Thank you.